Hello guys, welcome back to my channel here. I just want to share with you guys my pizza that I'm making right now. It's a flatbread pizza. I'm using these flatbread right here. Just something quick. I'm cooking up right now, so I'm just slicing some tomatoes I'm gonna put on there. These tomatoes, they're so sweet. Just want to use them up. So I just want to share this with you guys. I'm using some spinach and some red onions and my tomatoes. And I'm not using mozzarella cheese. I'm using cheddar. So I cut up my onions right here. So this pizza I'm gonna make right on the stove top. That is how simple it is. All right. I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil right in my pan right here. So right here, put my onions and a little bit of olive oil right here. I'm just gonna have these tomatoes right inside as well. Get some flavor in there. Just a little bit of salt, pepper. Not much salt, just a pinch. I got a little bit of granulated garlic right here. Garlic. Sprinkle a little bit of that over it. I'm just gonna toss that gently. I'm just gonna let this cook for about, I would say, a minute or two. Just getting some flavor in them. I'm going to transfer that to a bowl and start my spinach. So that's the spinach right there. Same process, a little bit of olive oil. Pinch of granulated garlic. That is done. And what I got right here is some all beef hot dogs. These are great for your kids on top of your pizza. Quick, easy, you name it. Okay, so I got a bigger pan right here. I greased this with some olive oil. I'm just gonna put one side down, get this nice and hot. So we're gonna make this pizza right on the stove top right here. Get a nice crust on that side. Just the side we're gonna put the tomato sauce on. That's what I'm doing right now. Then I'm gonna flip it over. A little bit more. You turn the temperature down. Put it on low. Because now I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato sauce to this. Beautiful. I'm sure you kids will love this. Just put some cheese on there. I mean, you can use mozzarella cheese. I'm just using up some cheddar right here. This is just some Cracker Barrel cheddar. My daughter loves this kind of pizza. She loves it. Quick, ready to go. do a lot of homemade pizza though. But when you want to get some pizza going on the fly, this is perfect. And we're gonna add some of this beautiful sweet tomatoes and red onions right on top here. Looking lovely. A little bit of spinach on there. Look at that. Then you move on to the all beef hot dogs. And this is already cooked. Look at that cheese melting, and it's only on low right now. So you don't want to burn the bottom of it. Beautiful. Just put a couple pieces on there. All right, that's looking lovely. Let that cheese melt right on there, and your pizza is done. Beautiful. So take a look at that. A quick, simple flatbread pizza to make. Really easy. Your kids will love this. Hear that nice crust on it? That's what we're talking about. The cheese is nice and melted right there. Beautiful. I just want to say thanks for watching again. Keep on liking and sharing the videos. Drop a comment. If you're new to the channel watching right now, don't forget to hit subscribe. Catch you in the next one. So guys, I just have to stop and said, you know what? I have to try the stovetop pizza and let you guys know how it is. Wow. Tomatoes are so sweet. They're delicious. Wow, this is really good. Pizza in the stovetop. Amazing. Can't go wrong. Try it out. Please let me know how you guys like it.